हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ज्ञान गंगा क्लासेस। और आज हम लेकर के आए क्लास 7 सोशल साइंस सिविक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 1 ऑन इक्वालिटी। तो इसमें बात करेंगे कि इक्वालिटी क्या होती है, इक्वालिटी क्यों ज़रूरी है और ये हमारे लिए कितनी मायने रखती है इन आवर डेमोक्रेसी, इन आवर कंट्री, इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। इसे करेंगे अलग अलग चैप्टर कवर, अलग अलग इसके सारे कंसेप्ट, सारे पॉइंट्स। सो मेक श्योर आप हमारे इस पूरे वीडियो को पूरा देखेंगे स्टार्ट टू एंड बिना स्किप किए, और साथ ही हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, बिकॉज हम लेकर के आते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एजुकेशन वीडियो रोज़ अपने इसी चैनल के थ्रू आप सब तक एजुकेशन पहुंचाने को, और साथ ही करते हैं ढेर सारे फन एंड एक्सरसाइज। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं कि इक्वालिटी क्या है। The condition in which the adequate opportunities are given to all, मतलब एक ऐसी कंडीशन जहाँ सबके लिए सब कुछ इक्वली प्रेजेंट है। There is no discrimination, there is no inequality. So like an equal right to vote in India, we all have, despite of which class, which field, which wherever we are working, without of anything, without of that, we all have equal right to vote. That is the example of an equality. In a democratic country like India, the adults, irrespective of their religion, caste, education, status, or the place of birth, they all are given the right to vote under the universal adult franchise. So does equality exist? क्या equality exist होती है? In reality, there is a difference that exists between rich and poor. The caste system is also rigid. Dalits in India and minorities are denied the right to dignity and equality many times. So there are conditions that will just hamper the equality thing. But we all have to try at our personal level to just maintain that equality in our surroundings, in our people that we interact with, without any fear. So in the Indian democracy, the Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. However, it doesn't mean that inequality doesn't exist. There are cases, there are situations when this kind of practice is incorporated. So, universal adult franchise gives us political equality, not the social and economic. So, it is our duty to maintain that aspects also. Dignity is thinking of our state where being worthy of the esteem of the respect. Means dignity is a thinking or state जब आप सोचते हो कि I am worthy of respect, I have a dignity. So the government has tried to implement equality first through the laws and then through different government programs to help the disadvantaged community, to make them a respectful community. So everyone is equal before law. ये हमें पता है. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, color, religion, race, gender. Everyone has the access to all the public places, and untouchability has been abolished. So these are some things that we have done in order to maintain, to just incorporate the equality sense among the citizens. Then there is program like midday meal scheme that has been launched in the public schools to provide the nutrients to all of the children, irrespective of where they come from. They are in the school and they have the right to the midday meal. These are some measures that we have taken as a government to just incorporate the feel of equality among all the citizens. But still there is discrimination, there is inequality, and mostly it is done with people who come from lower caste or who have some poor background. They are just exploited, or they are just referred as unprivileged class. Like Dalits, they are a little lack in the inequality in many cases, as we can see. But no person can be discriminated against on the basis of the religion, caste, race, or place of birth, or anything like that. So, India is not only the country where inequality is existing, there are many democratic countries around the world where such issues, such situations of inequality continues. They have different communities that struggle time to time against such discriminations. In United States of America, the African American case was very seriously, and it was a discrimination against the African people. So they just come up with different struggles, different ways to just shout against that inequality and make the people realize their mistake. In 1950, there took a movement also known as Civil Rights Movement for the equal right of African Americans. Rosa Parks became the leader of that movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion and national origin. ये सारी चीज़ें जानने के साथ ही हमारा आज यहाँ का चैप्टर यहीं ख़त्म होता है. I will take a leave for now and will come with another video the next day. I hope you like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. और साथ ही साथ कुछ नया सीखने के लिए अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी मोटिवेट कीजिए, उन तक ये वीडियो पहुंचाइए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब अस.